Hello, my name is Kev from dataSights, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can get your deer inventory data automated into Google Sheets. So what we're looking at here is a Google Sheet embedded in our platform, but it could quite simply be pushed to, at the same time, into a sheet like this. So how you do that is by going into your Data Hub platform. What you would have done already is create an account and database and sync your data. We've got another video on how to do that, or if you need some help, just hit us up in the chat box below, which is behind the little picture down here, my little face. And then head into the services and tools and the G Sheet push service. And essentially, you just have to add a new Google Sheet push. So you can call this whatever you want. So deer inventory G Sheet push, doesn't really matter. The important part is the Google Sheet ID, which you can copy from this bit over here in the URL. The Google Sheet name is where you want to push this to. So this is important. It has to match exactly. So it's how we know which tab to push the data to. And then you get to the final bit. We don't allow you to push raw deer data in. So the deer sales list and the deer sales invoices list, or one of the many, many tables that deer has, because Google Sheets is not a database. It has a limit of 400,000 cells. So what we do is we work with you very quickly to essentially create a SQL view, which joins all the data you need and limits the amount of data that you actually need. And you can push up that summarized view into Google Sheets, because if you push too much data up to Google Sheets, it becomes unwieldy and slow and all the rest of it. So bottom line is you can then select a deer inventory template view. We can hit save. And from there, we go to our data syncs page, and we can just trigger a sync. Simple as that. So hope that helps. Any questions, just hit us up in the chat box below. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye.